Good afternoon to one and all. Today, myself, Dr. Rasika Torne from Department of Chemistry, Sir Parsuram Bhau College, Pune. The topic which I am going to discuss is evaluation of phenol content from a medicinally important plant, Orthocarpus heterophyllus. First, we'll see what is the importance of medicinal plant. In the world, 30% of the pharmaceutical preparations are manufactured from plants. In Asia, about 8,000 medicinal species exist. In India itself, about 2,000 medicinal species are exist, but only 6% have been explored for their biological activities and only 15% have been explored phytochemically for their constituents. On the analogy of these fact, research objectives have been plant. This is Orthocarpus heterophyllus plant. It belongs to family Moriaceae. Its bulges are used for the actual experiment. It is observed in tropical and subtropical region in India and in South Andaman. It is authenticated in Botanical Survey of India, Western region, and its authentication number is 86 and 2010. Now first we'll see what is the importance of this plant. Leaves are used to heal ulcers. Its fruits shows antibacterial activity. Seeds are tonic, cooling and nutritious. Roots are used as remedy for skin diseases and asthma. Bark shows anti-inflammatory activity and whole plant is antioxidant and shows antibacterial activities. Now we'll consider experimental part. Air-shed dried powder material is used for the experiment. Now, that plant material is kept at room temperature for 48 hours and semipolar solvent, that is acetone, is used as solvent for extraction. After 48 hours, solvent was removed under vacuum and black color mass is observed, that is acetone extract, and yield is 5.9%. Broad fractionation of this crude mass was carried out at room temperature starting from non-polar to polar solvent. In each solvent that is carried out for 6 hours. First hexane, that is non-polar solvent, is taken, then semipolar solvent acetone, and then polar solvent, that is methanol, is used. For each extract, solvent was evaporated and that bulky mass is used for the calculation of total phenol content. So, total phenolic content of bulges were determined according to the method developed by Malik and Singh. In this experiment, catechol was used as standard. The following catechol reagent and sodium carbonate were added in alkaline solution of test sample. Test sample was taken 20 microgram to 100 microgram. A blue colored complex was developed due to phospholipid acid which is present in reagent. Calibration plot was expressed as pyrocatechol equivalent of phenol per gram of sample. Experiments were performed in triplicates and results were recorded as standard error mean. Then result shows that phenolic content of each extract versus standard. So first acetone extract shows 22.52 milligram per gram. So each value represent mean of standard error mean. So conclusion is that this experiment predicts that Orthocarpus heterophyllus have tremendous potential of valuable bioactive compounds which may act as drug intermediate. This biological study strongly support the use of this plant in drug formulation, and these results indicate that the plant material may become an important source of compounds with health protective potential. So these are some references which I have referred for my actual experimental part.